Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Hi guys, happy weekend. Here is my project. This one is a tissue organizer, look at this, or a tissue holder. This one is made from the recycled plastic container from the yogurt box, or plastic container from the yogurt. Look at this one, look, it's white, and this is the handle, and I just simply cover this one with this lace. This is a tassel lace. I just fix a tassel lace with the use of the hot glue. Look at this, okay, and just simply wrap around the tassel lace around the body of this plastic container. And look at this, it looks now presentable. Look at this, it looks presentable by decorating with the tassel lace. And this is my tissue holder. Look at this, just simply put your tissue roll. Look at this, just put the tissue roll inside this plastic and look like a basket now. Look at this. So this is how to recycle your plastic waste of the yogurt, any yogurt plastic waste. So this is a very easy project on how to recycle your waste, plastic waste of the yogurt, and you can create an instant basket or a tissue holder. Look at this. So guys, I hope this video can give you an idea and can help you on how to recycle your waste plastic container and transform into a unique and simple DIY project. So please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel SGM Creations and Tutorials so that you will learn how to recycle plastic waste and transform into a unique and beautiful project like this, and could be useful for your home use. So no need to buy expensive things, just create your own project. You can do many things out from recycled materials. So please check my playlist is GM Creations and Tutorials. Then you can find all my creations and video tutorials on how to recycle plastic waste and create a different projects, and you can follow the video tutorials step by step. Okay, so thank you for watching and happy weekend, and enjoy the weekend. Stay at home. So if you just stay at home doing nothing, so just create a very simple and unique DIY projects made from recycled materials. Stay safe and stay connected with SGM Creations and Tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Dankeschön, and see you again in my next tutorial. Bye bye. Look at this. This is the transformation of the plastic waste from the yogurt, and now transform into a tissue holder. You can bring this